All right, guys, I don't know about you, but if you need a new Pew Pew cleaning kit, this thing is the way to go. So this is made for 223. Let me get my cheat sheet here because I want to make sure I'm giving you all the details. This is made for 223, 556, 308, 762, 9mm. So you're going to be able to get everything out of this kit. So let's go ahead and crack it open so we can see what we are working with. So Cogoyolo, they make a solid kit. I've seen these before, and they come in a couple different variations. So as we take a close look at it, you're going to see how nice it really is. First and foremost, check out this box. The carrying box is next level. Let's get this out of here. The carrying box is next level, as it has everything you need stored in one place. It's not that old plastic case, so you don't have anything to worry about. You got a little snap over here. It's kind of like some tool set you're able to do things with. Let's go ahead and pop it over so we can see what we are working with here. Now inside you have your bore cleaning section. You have your 3 brushes. You got a like a brass, copper, steel, and then a nylon brush right here. See if I can get you that. So 3 different brushes right here. They do give you your Q-tips for cleaning. And here is the parts diagram telling you what else you have in here. You have a 270, 30 cal, 410, 50 cal, 54 cal, 20 gauge, 12 gauge, 17 gauge, or 17 cal, 204 cal, 22 cal, 38 cal, 45 cal, 22 cal brush, 25 cal, and then the list goes on and on and on. So you can see all lined up in here, taking care of your stuff. You got some cleaning pads. You have your cleaning mops. You have your barrel cleaning brushes, all in here and nicely made. So they have all the proper pieces. So you're able to connect this however you need to and make all the cleaning happen. One of the things I also like about this kit, and I've seen this before, is you have your own oil bottles. So you can fill these with whatever oil you want and store it nicely together without any issues. Moving over, what we're looking at here is you have some of, get these in the right spot here. Some of the nylon ropes you can pull through from a bore cleaning perspective as well. You have your swabs. I mean, they have just thought of everything. It really is an all-in-one. Plus, at the end of the day, you're able to switch stuff out too. So if you're needing more swabs, you're able to add more swabs to it, and it takes everything you could possibly need. So with the parts diagram, giving you all that you need in this product. I don't know about you, but I love a good product that has all the pieces. So whether I'm just doing my handguns or I'm getting out rifles or shotgun, whatever it might be, I can get one setup out and not have to worry about needing to go find another setup to clean different guns at whatever point in time. So guys, at the end of the day, make sure you do things safe, protect yourself, and get some good cleaning kit because you're going to like it. Definitely check it out.